Hey guys, thanks for being here. Now listen, if you are watching this video, you were just like me. I was just like you. A few years ago, I was working every single day, okay? And listen, I know when you go out there and you look for somebody to help you make money online, or you look for ways to make money online, you run into all these people that are selling these stupid courses. Stay away from those courses. They don't do anything for you. Whether you spend $7, $600, $1,100, they all are scams. They don't do anything for you. You'll get scammed. So let me tell you about how I started making money online, because I was you. I was working every single day. I was living paycheck to paycheck and I was miserable. So I started looking into making money online, and I tried thing after thing after thing. And I don't mean you can't jump from thing to thing, right? You find something, you stick with it, you give it your all. And if 6 months later you haven't made anything with it, move on to something else. But don't try something for 30 days and think, oh, I'm not making thousands of dollars, so I'm going to move on to something else, because it takes time. It's not anything that's going to work is not going to be a get rich quick thing. Okay. So, what I did when I was you, or not necessarily when I was you, but back when I was looking for a way to make money online, it was it was so frustrating and so difficult, and I failed so many times. And TB12, life is not about how much you succeed, it's about what happens when you fail and what you do. So if you want something bad enough and you've made up your mind that you're gonna make it, you're gonna do it, you're going to have to fail. You have to fail. There is no immediate instant success that's going to happen. Okay. So you're going to feel like you're failing at some point. I've done it all the time, over and over again. But I finally got to that point where there was a little bit of success, small successes, small successes. And now I work from home. I make a six-figure income making videos, sharing content. I made a playlist. You can go to this playlist. I'll link it at the end of this video. Go to this playlist and I show you for free 100% every single step that I do to make money online. Digital marketing, a membership to a personal financial company that has products like these, right? Those products are things that people need, are things that people use. So digital marketing or network marketing, multi-level marketing is where it's at. And I know the stigma with that because I did it back in the day of like Herbalife and stuff, right? When the internet was just getting started, I tried to do that kind of stuff back then where you had to sell to your family and friends, but now you don't have to do that. So it doesn't matter if you don't have a ton of followers. It doesn't matter if you don't have a ton of friends and subscribers. That doesn't matter. You don't want to sell to your family and friends. I don't. I didn't. I still haven't. If my family and friends see that I got a brand new car, I bought a house, I got money, and I'm always available because I don't have to work, when they see that, they ask me what I'm doing. And I tell them, go here, go there and check it out. Go to grabthisthing.com, check it out, see for yourself. And that's it. I don't go any further into it. I do the same exact thing that I'm doing with you. If you want to see more about this, go here, go to my playlist. If you get value from that, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'd greatly appreciate it.